Estate Tax Amnesty. Republic Act No. 1, 1956. An act further amending Republic Act No. 11213, otherwise known as the Tax Amnesty Act, as amended by Republic Act No. 11569, by extending the period of availment of the estate tax amnesty until June 14, 2025. What is estate tax amnesty? Estate tax amnesty is imposed at a 6% rate on a decedent's total net taxable estate, without penalties applied at any phase of the process. Note that there is a minimum estate amnesty tax of 5,000 pesos for each decedent. Coverage of the estate tax amnesty. Estate of descendants who died on or before May 31, 2022, with or without assessments duly issued, therefore, whose estate taxes have remained unpaid or have accrued as of May 31, 2022. Tax rates and basis of tax, retained provision. There shall be imposed a rate of 6% based on the decedent's net taxable estate, determined as of the time of death of decedent, composed of all properties, real or personal, tangible or intangible, less allowable deductions. Exceptions to the coverage, retained provision. Number 1. Estate tax cases which shall have become final and executory. And number 2. Properties involved in cases pending in courts. Letter A. Falling under the jurisdiction of the PCGG. Letter B. Involving wealth under Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act and under the Act defining and penalizing the crime of plunder. Letter C. Involving violations of the Anti-Money Laundering Act. Letter D. Involving tax evasion and other criminal offenses under NIRC. And Letter E. Involving felonies of frauds, illegal exactions and transactions, and malversation of public funds and property under. Availment of the estate tax amnesty. Who? The executor or administrator of the estate, or if there is no executor or administrator appointed, the legal heirs, transferees, or beneficiaries who wish to avail of the estate tax amnesty. When and where? Within June 15, 2023, effective on August 24, 2023, until June 14, 2025, to the Revenue District Office, RDO, having jurisdiction over the last residence of the decedent at the time of his death. How? File, either electronically or manually, with any authorized agent bank, Revenue District Office through the Revenue Collection Officer, or authorized tax software provider, a sworn estate tax amnesty return. Pay, either electronically or manually, at the time the return is filed with any authorized agent bank, Revenue District Office through the Revenue Collection Officer, or authorized tax software provider.